Hi guys, I'm Julia and thanks for joining me again in the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen, where today we are gonna make a really yummy and delicious treat, something very special. You're gonna love it. Peanut butter. And I'm gonna be using my good friend here, the Kuvings SV500 high-speed vacuum blender. It really is new technology for the home, and the best thing about this blender, in my opinion, is its quietness. Thanks to its rhythmic blades, it really does operate at an exceptionally low noise level. And the key to remember is that with the vacuum technology, it really does preserve all of the goodness and the flavor of the raw fruits and vegetables you put in, so you're not losing any of the goodness, and you really will notice a difference in the flavor and the texture, which is great for peanut butter. So what do we need? Well, we need 1 cup of unsalted, dry roasted peanuts, 4 tablespoons of peanut oil, and ½ a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt. Now, the benefit of making peanut butter at home is it's home, it's homemade. It has that real, authentic, beautiful flavor and none of the extras that you don't need. And we've got our salt. Right, so we're going to take off our lid, release the valve at the top. There we go. Oh my gosh, check that out. Can you see that? Oh, it's silky, it's smooth. That really does taste just so good. Remember, it always tastes better with a Kuvings.
Kuvings.